working principle of forged steel low-temperature gate valve or Xianfeng valve is mainly based on the vertical lifting and lowering of the gate by controlling the sealing state of the gate and seat to achieve the on-off of low-temperature medium. Its technical features include 1. Working principle. The gate moves perpendicular to the fluid direction. When switched on, flow resistance is minimal. When closed, a metal elastic seal is formed. 2. Low-temperature design. Using 304L divided by 316L stainless steel or 9Ni steel. Cryogenic treatment at -196 degrees C. Self-tightening valve seat. Pressure relief and failure prevention. Free drive mode. Supports manual electric, pneumatic, or hydraulic. 4. Scope of application. Suitable for media from -40 degrees C to -196 degrees C, such as liquefied natural gas, LNG storage and transportation, liquid nitrogen, low-temperature chemical industry, and other fields. 5 differences from ordinary gate valves. Structural design for resisting low-temperature deformation. Reduce the risk of leakage. Some models have cavity pressure relief function. Prevent the vaporization of the medium from causing overpressure. Thanks for your attention. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.